Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for joining us here today at Jack London State Historic Park. We're in the Beauty Ranch again today to try and catch one of our very favorite birds, the Acorn Woodpecker. You can often hear these flashy little birds filling the air with their exuberant chatter and their constant activity, particularly around old oak trees and wooden structures. Relying predominantly on acorns for their food source, they use these structures as storage or granaries for the thousands of acorns that they collect every year. Many animals collect and stash nuts, but these are the only critters who actually drill individual holes for each one. They then carefully tend to these stashes by turning the acorns as they dry and shrink. And since a loose acorn is an easy thing to steal, acorn woodpeckers will pull the loose acorns and place them into smaller and smaller holes, always ensuring a tight fit. This keeps the birds very busy, and one group can move up to 500 acorns a week. Another fascinating thing about these birds is their complex social structure. Acorn woodpeckers live in tightly knit clans of roughly 2 to 16 birds per clan. And each clan is made up of a few different groups, including the breeding females, breeding males, the non-breeding adult offspring, and of course, the little chicks. The bonds holding these clans together are tight. Each breeding member will stay loyal to the clan until the last breeding partner has died. Additionally, females will all lay their eggs together in a communal nest, and the chicks are raised cooperatively by the entire clan. So we've just recently learned a story that the indigenous peoples of this area would look to the industrious acorn woodpecker to forecast the weather. The understanding was that these woodpeckers dramatically increase their activity, hammering in their stored acorns nice and tight about 2 days before an actual storm would hit. So during the rainy season, when the woodlands are filled with the increased sounds and calls of rattling acorns and hammering bills, you know a storm is sure to follow. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to hitting the trail with you again on our next episode.